Welcome to the project demonstration of IoT Smart Energy Monitoring System. So here we are going to measure the voltage and current and power parameters of this particular load. So here we are using 12 volt 1 watt LED bulb. So from this one we are going to measure the voltage to this load and current from this load and also parallelly power. So these three parameters continuously measured by our NODE MCU, and that will be displayed on the LCD screen as well as. So NODE MCU consists of inbuilt Wi-Fi. So from that we are going to send the same three parameters to the ThinkSpeak cloud platform. So next we are providing the 230 volts AC input as a power flow directly. So to this transformer, the transformer will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts of AC. So that is the input to this regulated power supply board. So it has the three stages. One is the rectification to convert the AC to pulsating DC, and to remove the pulses we are making use of a capacitor filter. So which will smooth that 12 volts pulsating DC to 12 volts pure DC. But we need 5 volts to the NODE MCU and the LCD, as operating voltage is 5 volts for these two. So for that purpose we need to regulate that 12 volts DC to 5 volts DC with help of this 7805 regulator. This is the 7805 regulator, so which will take 12 volts DC input and provide as the 5 volts DC constant output. And before that 12 volts DC is the operating voltage to our load. So that's why we are taking a 12 volts through the switch to this one here. So this voltage sensor and current sensor will measure that voltage and display it on the LCD directly, and that will be measured by our NODE MCU. So before on the kits we need to provide the data to the NODE MCU. For that purpose we need to enable the hotspot in your phone. So go to hotspot settings of your phone, set up the hotspot with project 5784. So without any capital letter, without any space, that is very important. And the password should be 123456789, and select the AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. So these three are very important on the hotspots, on the data, and now you can keep aside this mobile phone. So now we can access that particular ThinkSpeak data from anywhere in the world. So that's why just I'm showing from the another mobile phone. You can log into the same mobile phone, or you can log into the another mobile phone. So just after login to ThinkSpeak from the given credentials, this page will appear. Click on this IoT energy monitoring. So in this we can get the whole data. While scrolling, just don't scroll from the blue tab in between that. So like I shown in between the graphs. So these are the previous data. So if you want to check the particular date and time data, you can just click on the dots. So then you will get this data now. So now after on the hotspot and data, after login to the ThinkSpeak cloud platform, you can on the power supply to the system, right? And now welcome message will be displayed on the LCD screen, and you can see one device is connected in your mobile phone, like in which mobile phone we have on the hotspots. So there we can see one device is connected, right? ESP is connected. After this confirmation you can go on check with the loads details. Right, so we got a new data arrived now, right? Okay, so if you want to erase this old data, if you want to get the present data, so before erase that we can download this in Excel sheet. For download that, go to data import export. In that, download the data. So it will be open in Excel sheet. So you can get that along with date and time. So this is a date and time, and how many entries till now we captured, and what is the field one voltage and current in milliamps and wattage in milliwatts. So these are the ratings till now we got from the ThinkSpeak. And after downloaded the data, now go to channel settings, and in that don't do any other things more, only do clear channel. I'm repeating that, only do clear channel. Channel settings, clear channel, data import export, download the data. Then after go to the private view again. So there we can get this. So there we can get this data again. Right. Okay. So wait for 15 seconds of duration. Why? Because So this system will upload the data to the ThinkSpeak and the thing speak can accept the data for every 15 seconds of duration only. So based on your network speed, so data will be uploaded here. So we got the data here. So we can see that 0 volts. Now when I switch on this load, there we can see the voltage and milliamps in currents and the milliwatts load wattage. So wait for again 15 seconds of duration, then we will get the live data again. So the main thing is before on the gate we should check properly about the hotspot settings and like hotspot name, password and 2.4 gigahertz, and the second confirmation is like after you switch on the gates, then we can see the our mobile like device was connected in your mobile phone. So that is ESP was connected into that. So the voltage fluctuations occur due to the input voltage. As we can see, this we can't get the 230 volts constant. It varies from 230 to 245. So like that, based on the voltage variance, we can get the voltage varying in input also. So we got the live data directly again. So there we can see that input voltage and current in milliamps and wattage in milliwatts. So these are the ratings, can be accessed from anywhere in the world and we can download that. So this is all about the IoT energy meter monitoring system by using the NODE MCU.